In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Air Canada online in 2026. If you want to save time before your flight and make the airport process a little smoother, checking in online is one of the easiest things you can do. Air Canada lets you complete this process directly through its website, and it only takes a few moments once you have your travel details ready. To get started, go to the Air Canada website. Once the home page loads, look over to the left-hand side of the page. That area contains the main travel options and tools you'll need. Take a second to make sure you're on the official site so you're entering your trip information in the right place. From there, click on the check-in option. This will open the online check-in page where Air Canada asks you to identify your booking before moving forward. This part is straightforward, but it's important to enter your details exactly as they appear on your reservation. Now, enter your booking details. You'll be asked for either your aeroplane number or your booking reference. Use whichever one you have available. Your booking reference is usually found in your confirmation email or travel itinerary, while your aeroplane number may already be associated with your trip if you're a member. Be careful when typing, especially with letters and numbers that can look similar. Next, add the passenger's last name. Make sure the last name matches the reservation exactly, including spelling. If there's even a small difference, the system may not be able to find your trip. This is a common issue, so it's worth double checking before continuing. Once those fields are filled in, click the check-in button. Air Canada will then begin pulling up your reservation so you can continue with the check-in process. If your flight is within the eligible check-in window, you should be able to move on right away. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to have your passport or travel documents nearby if you're flying internationally, since some bookings may require you to confirm additional information after this point. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable so the page doesn't refresh while you're entering your details. And that's it. That's how to check in online with Air Canada in 2026. Once you've entered your information and selected check-in, you'll be ready to continue with the rest of your pre-flight steps on the airline's website.